So ladies and gentlemen, right now we are here, Walmart, in the night. I be anything me a drink from night. So right now, me not drunk, me kinda tipsy. But we at Walmart right now because everybody hungry. We have Jake's in the place.
Yo!
Meds in the place. Leisure in the place. And Troubles always up on live. Hello guys, what's up? I'm here.
Wait, say every
Bingy crash like a while.
your frozen Aki and she said she not giving on. Tell you bad man.
You beg her Aki?
No.
We never beg you na Aki, let me ask that first. We in a Walmart right now. Jake, so we all look for?
This man?
What that?
Hot sauce man.
Oh.
Hell hot.
Yeah. That sound extra hot.
Yeah man, that be like
Like that hotter than any hot.
No, not really, but
Hell hot?
what a hot sauce?
Hell hot.
Teriyaki?
In here, hell hot. What's your man eat the banana chips?
I'm on the road, right? Stop fishing there, sir?
Yo, give me 2 banana chips. Wow. Come on, I'm doing me. Put them.
You have to pay for them. You want to do them properly. You are Jamaican. You have to pay for them. You will not do that. Right and peas are just one. Me not got jail for just one banana chips. You mad?
We are look for. Now what we are look for? Watch this one now. Right now. What we are look for? Me don't know what we are look for. Me there so. Troubles don't know what I look for.
Yeah, butter over here. We need butter.
Oh, we need butter. See butter, the beer butter. Butter can't done. We have a specific butter. So Aki, butter, rice, and hell hot sauce. A hell hot in here, me know.
What is sauce you want then?
Yeah, we are looking some salt swimmers right now. Which part that they just done, sir?
Yeah. We need oil.
Yeah, cause we in a Walmart, so we are gonna look for swimmers. We are gonna look for oil. We need oil, white rice, and Aki and saltfish. Yeah. Yo, the man in say last man reach long as so a batty man. And the man run left me and run left the yard. The man then gone left me and run left the yard. The man then run left me. Watch out. First of all, when you disqualify, when you say it, when you say it late.
Hey, we need oil.
Oil and salt swimmers.
Yeah, sauce. Jake, what is sauce swimmers then? I'll do it over there. Which one?
Bingy one oil in the yard.
Which oil in the yard?
I think oil over there. Like some almost over there. So we don't need no oil. But don't just bad enough. Salt swimmers over here, so go jump him.
Bring in a shrimp.
Jake, bring around place, go jump.
Shrimp oil.
If you make it an allergic reaction. So right now we are at a road stop. We are at a roadblock. No, watch out, watch out.
What if you do, mate?
Leah drink called coconut juice. Yo, you know that she said Leah have a meal. Leah find him a meal. The man have a coconut juice he wanna drink. Yeah, you mean? What? Where you want, Trabas? You don't know where you want, you just want food. Right, Jakes, where we have to go substitute?
I don't know, I find something for substitute.
We have to find it, right?
Yeah. I don't know. That can cook a Walmart.
Yo, right now we in a Walmart right now and the man don't know where we have to cook with the Aki because we can't find no saltfish. Saltfish in a tin?
Yeah.
Salt mackerel one?
Sardine.
Watch out. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
And the man run gun and he still have to be camera ready. Alright, so what we are doing? Alright, so if I Aki, what else you can do? Call I do.
Someone were open at the night, so send me some requests.
Trabas took the card and then forgot it at the house.
No, Bingy take the card. Bingy left the card on the loody board. Wait, Bingy never take out the card and left it on the
card at the house now.
I will left the card on the loody board. Me remember. Wish you could have go back in time. I said Bingy take up the card. Bingy left the card on the loody table, dog. Remember? And you say it, you know, dog. Remember when you say it, you know, you say
I know, and you did say him just take it up. So right about now, we just left Walmart.
Don't drink then.
Yeah, we can talk about it now since we done sort out.
Yeah, what for going on?
Yeah, what is it? Trabas still lost the credit card. But then the phone dead while we try sort out what we sort out. And then by the time we run back to the car, we try to charge the phone. So the right which Trabas did at our side, find the credit card right there, so. Remember you did that hold the card too?
No, I like that.
Right now we're there, we're in the kitchen. Jake's in the kitchen right now. Jake's are deal with the food already, you know what I mean? Yo, every time food we cook, man, he always just say Jake's. You know what I mean? Yeah, the man that mash up his sink, man. So tonight we are dealing with ackee and saltfish, white rice and pear. But we not consume the rice tonight. You know what I mean? Me go deal with, me have some whole wheat bread. So me go deal with some whole wheat bread.
Yeah, try eat healthy.
No, me no want consume the rice. So late. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, it's 2:49, 2:39. 2:39 right now, we're there. Leisure Bingy and Trabas in the garage right now, so yeah, when Jake's ready up again and thing, we're gonna check him back.
Dish them over there. You feel like dish them over there. Just deal with it. And you can't have a touchy pot doing food up. G.
Me and Ben's round there.
Yo. Yo.
You're gonna just take out the two eyeballs and put it around the shoulder and look
Get in grabs in there. Grab utensil. A plate or something. A bowl around there.
Are you play that?
Yeah.
Nice.
I couldn't consume the rice right now. Can't consume the rice right now, too late. Yo, right now, I'm not lie to you, know, my first someone in watch on my plate, shine. Shine. Meds plate over there, so.
My food now. Yo, this is a proper 4 a.m.
Yeah. A 4. Oh, yeah, 1 minute to 4. You want to bing it?
Salt, swimmers, and some pure avocado.
For real. I'll get a piece of bread right now and teach some more.
Real something to real, see them something there? And them, what you call it? Munchies. Yeah. Real type munchies. Yeah.
Real type early morning munchies.
I have to feed the alcohol and the weed.
We win.
Be people always a comment and say be something and be guanins and jigs with the back in the place and you know?
Yeah. With the back man.
So my G's them right now me there. Me I tell you it's literally 4:32 right now. And if you're not gonna see it. Yeah, but I just want to get started on the editing right now because I know my computer. So I'm just gonna edit this. I done put some footage on the computer already. Everything when I do a Walmart, I load it onto the computer already. So all of that in the final cut. I'm just gonna put the cooking part on when I consume my food required. But otherwise from that, yeah. Yeah, blessings and respect for the back out and watch the one, you know what I mean? Big up my G's them uppity with no pity. Remember how me want to talk, just comment in the comment section. And mad up on yourself, mad move.